Hey guys, so this is a full tutorial on where you can get your LSSC invitation code. So the first thing that you're going to do is to go to the LSSC app or the LSSU website. So after that, once you're here on this page, you can go to the share tab where you can see here at the bottom of the page, and then from here you can see this recruit partners page, and it says every time you share, it is a transmission of belief and the beginning of changing the fate of others. You're not only sharing an opportunity but also helping more ordinary people find a way to realize their dreams and give them the power to change their lives. Every effort is to achieve success for others and for yourself. Now, once you receive this message, you're going to click on invite now. And then from here, you can see this QR code where your friends can actually scan it and it will automatically be their invitation code, or it will take them immediately to the login page. And then you can also copy this address right here, which serves as your invitation code. For me, you can see here, which is the D939INJ, all in small letters. Now, this is very important because you really cannot join the LSSC program, or you cannot sign up to LSSC account if you don't have an invitation code. Now, if you want to log in or to register and you don't have an invitation code yet, you can of course grab invitation codes from several websites like Reddit, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Like tutorials like this, they often show their invitation codes, and you can absolutely use that for the benefit of those who have that or who possess that invitation code, and for you as well. Now, if you don't have it and you want to register, you can just click or you can use this invitation code shown in my screen and you can absolutely register. And that is how, or that is where you get your LSSC invitation code.